The next area to touch on is business area management and how we achieve that within the AAI Web UI. Again, within the settings panel, to the left-hand side of the AAI tool, we have a business areas selection here. When you enter into the business areas selection, then you will see your list of predefined business areas to the right-hand side. If you're starting out, you won't have a list of business areas in your environment. It's highly likely that you will only have the all job streams business area because that's the default out-of-the-box business area that's created on AAI installation. With this default business area, if I open it up, then I have the ability to provide some further information. I can provide a description for this highest level business area, and I can provide alerts. If AAI is connected to an SMTP server, then what you can do is add email addresses at the business area level so that any alerts generated by job streams or SLAs within that business area are notified to those email addresses. By adding an email address to the all job streams business area, that means that any SLA with an alert that's created within AAI will be notified to the list of addresses that we place here. To add an email address, simply add the email address into the correct panel and click on Add Recipients. And the list of email addresses that are configured are added here, and we can click on Save. That will save the business area back to the system. And we now have 2 alert recipients on the All Job Streams business area. If we look at any of the job streams listed within this particular view, I can go into one of these business areas, and it looks as though we have no email alert recipients set, but that's because we have set none specifically at this level of the business area tree. We can see we have 2 set. That's the 2 email addresses we have set at the highest level. So bear in mind that you will not see that information here. To add a business area, extremely easy. Click on the Add Business Area button, provide your business area with a name. It would help if I could spell. Provide a description and select the parent where you would like that particular business area to exist. I'm going to add this enablement business area into the highest level container, and we'll see that lower down the screen in a second. I'm going to add an additional alert. And click Save. Our business area called Enablement has been successfully created. And if I scroll down on my screen here, we can see our Enablement business area. This brings me to an important point. As you can see, within our enablement business area, we only have 1 alert recipient. Any alerts that are specified at a lower level in the business area tree will override the alerts at the higher level. So in this particular case, the 2 email addresses we saw on the all job streams business area have now been replaced by this particular email alert. So only this address in this case will be sent any alerts associated to job streams within the enablement business area.